Hi my loves, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to create this sultry Siren eye look. This look has quickly become one of my favorite looks I've done so far. It's going to make you look like you got a non-invasive brow lift. So let's get started. Start by blending a cool or warm toned medium brown eyeshadow into your crease and blend it in a V shape on the outer corners of your eyes like so. We're trying to create the illusion of elongated, lifted eyes. Don't be afraid to pull the eyeshadow further out than you normally would for this look. Next, blend a deep brown eyeshadow onto the outer half of your eyelids and blend it into the brown we just applied. Grab a clean blending brush and blend out the edges. Next, blend a powder foundation or a bone-colored eyeshadow into the inner half of your eyelids and into the brown. By the way, side note guys, I got this powder just to try it out because I like the shade and I'm obsessed with how it looks. You saw what that pan looked like. You need to try it out if you live in Sri Lanka, by the way. The quality is, I can't believe it's made in Sri Lanka, so I will have it listed down below for you. Blend the same medium brown eyeshadow you used in step 1 along your lower lash line and connect it with the shadows on the outer corners of your eyes. Next, you want to apply your eyeliner as usual, but extend the line into the inner corners of your eyes. If you make any mistakes like I did, you can just pick up some concealer or foundation on a small brush and clean it up. It's so hard to do your eyeliner on camera, you guys, because I'm filming it so close up, so I need to keep checking the viewfinder to see if I'm in frame and also keep looking in the mirror. And you know what? 9 times out of 10, I'm not in frame. I'm not in frame. I've done my entire eyeliner routine off camera and the camera has been filming my hair. Next, line your upper waterline with a pencil or gel eyeliner. I swear you guys, I know I go on and on about this, but this step makes a massive difference. I do this even on my no makeup days because it makes your eyelashes appear fuller. Now we need to talk about lashes. You want to use a half lash for this look, and if you don't have any, just find a pair of lashes that are longer on the outer corners and cut them in half. I don't recommend using a full lash for this look because that can sometimes create a rounder, doe-eyed look depending on the shape of your eyelashes, and we're trying to do the opposite here. If you're skipping lashes and only doing mascara, focus most of the mascara on the outer corners and do the most minimal coat on the rest of your eyelashes. And that's the finished look, my loves. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed creating this look for you. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, if you have any doubts or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. I would love to help you. Thank you so much for watching. I have new tutorials going up every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!